The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originated in India. The Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi in his UN address suggested the date of 21st June as it is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world. Yoga as exercise is a physical activity consisting largely of asanas, often connected by flowing sequences called vinyasas, sometimes accompanied by the breathing exercises of pranayam and usually ending with a period of relaxation or meditation. The basic poses or asanas are much more than just stretching. They open the energy channels, chakras, and psychic centers of the body while increasing flexibility of the spine, strengthening bones, and stimulating circulatory and immune systems. Along with proper breathing or pranayam, asanas also calm the mind and reduce stress. With regular practice, one can increase overall physical and mental health and the aid in the prevention of diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and arthritis. In time, the poses consciously became a mental exercise in concentration and meditation. Let us discuss about some major asanas. First one is Sirsasana, headstand. Known as the king of the asanas for its remarkable benefits, the posture improves circulation, strengthens the respiratory system and heart, increases memory, concentration, and intellectual capacity, and promotes relaxation. Second, shoulder stand or Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana, meaning all parts, strengthens the entire body. The posture stimulates the thyroid gland, regulating metabolism, protein synthesis, heart rate, blood pressure, and calcium levels. The blood is purified and circulation improved, and the posture aids in the prevention of kidney disease, bone disease, and muscle weakness. Plow or halasana is the third asana. The plow keeps the entire spine youthful by stretching the spinal muscles and opening up the spinal discs. It nourishes the spinal nerves and relieves and prevents back and neck arthritis and stiffness. Fourth, fish or Matsyasana. The Matsyasana strengthens and cleanses the respiratory system, increasing lung capacity, relieving asthma, and bringing increased vitality to the entire system. Fifth, sitting forward bend. The sitting forward bend massages, stimulates, and tones the entire digestive system, regulating peristalsis and increasing digestive power. The functions of the pancreas are regulated, controlling blood sugar levels and carbohydrate metabolism. Sixth one is Cobra or Bhujangasana. The cobra increases flexibility of the spine, correcting curvature. The deep and superficial muscles of the back are strengthened and massaged, invigorating the nerves and muscles of the spine and relieving arthritis of the lower back and general lower back pain. Seventh one, Locust or Salavhasana. The locust relieves sluggish digestion, strengthens the abdominal walls, massages the pancreas, liver, and kidneys, and increases blood supply to the throat area. Last but not the least, yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. It is not about exercise but to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. By changing our lifestyle and creating consciousness, it can help in well-being.